So when it comes to brows, I feel like I like them to look quite dark, but I don't like them to look too overdone. I like the kind of natural look. I love that natural look. I don't want them to look too overdone. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I have had a struggle for many years getting my eyebrows to how I want them, but I feel like I've got them to how I want them, so I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to try and get up close with you. This is the brow product I use. It's the Brow Stylist Definer by Loreal. I absolutely love this. It's such a fine pencil and it allows you to create the little lines and the little brow hairs that don't look too fake. They just look sort of natural, but I do love it. And I've lost the lids, but it also comes with a lid, obviously, but I've lost them. And I'm very much running out of this, so let's get started. Okay, so for me, like I said, I like kind of make them dark, but I like to make them dark but natural. So the first thing that I will do is start by just, as you can see, this is my natural brow. Now I actually would love to get microblading. I really want my brows to look really good, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to grow them. So I'm on a bit of a brow journey. I'm trying to grow them into just a bit more of a fluffier look. I need to grow the tail out, and I also just want to grow this bit because this is actually product still, so they're not actually this thick. But anyway, so what I like to do first of all is just start kind of, let me get up close. I like to start off here, just kind of where my brow starts, and what I do is just draw very lightly underneath to create that kind of line. Then what I like to do is I'm basically just following my natural brow, and then what I'll do is just kind of go down here. Now for this bit I actually like to kind of straighten it out, if that makes sense. So what I will do is start from here where the hairs are really thick and basically just draw up to kind of the middle. Now this is where your pupil should meet the sort of arch of your brow. That is where your pupil should be. That is where the arch of your brow should be, where your pupil meets. So basically like a line. So then what you want to do is you just want to lightly draw like that. Just kind of connect them, connect the dots. No, don't connect the dots. But anyway, that is basically my simple brow routine. Now for me, this brow pencil is brilliant, but I feel like it gives a little bit of a grey look, and I want more of a dark brown black because I have very dark hair. Well, not very dark hair, but dark hair. So what I might do is go up a shade because this one's actually dark brunette. But anyway, so that is pretty much how I do it. Then what I do is I get the spoolie and I just kind of brush up. This is the simplest brow routine ever. I just don't do much with my brows. I just don't. So then what you want to do is lightly just draw some lines. Snugs, this is not your place to be. My cat is going to come into the shot, I'm sorry. So you just want to draw the Snugs. You just want to kind of draw little lines, little hairs up, and that's it. You can kind of see, can you see the difference? So this is the one I've done, and then this is the one I haven't. So I've kind of just created a bit of thickness around this area, if that makes sense. And that is it. That is simply how I do my brows. I don't do anything special. I would love to have microbladed brow, oh my god, microbladed brows. I would, but I'm a mum, I've got a baby. Brows are not everything every day for me. They're just kind of when I do my makeup. I kind of just have no makeup pretty much every single day unless I'm filming or whatever for my blog and stuff. So I'll show you guys how I do it and just speed it up. So you just want to draw a line underneath, pretty simple, and then just kind of connect the two down to the arch. Make sure the pupil is where the arch is, if that makes sense. And guys, don't come at me, I'm not a makeup MUA, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm no brow specialist. I'm just me, I'm just a girl that does my brows, and I just thought I would share with you because I've had a few questions about them, and that's all. So if you have some better techniques, please let me know. I would love to hear, because I've had a struggle with my brows, that's for sure. So that is simply it, and then I'll just make sure to kind of brush them through just to create a little bit more of naturalness. Just brush the hairs up, and voila. Now what you can do, if you do want to go extra, if you want to be extra, then what you can do, I actually don't have the right palette with me, but what you can do is you can grab a palette and you can grab like a nice dark brown shade, and then just kind of fill it in to get the right colour, because I feel like my brows are just a little bit grey looking. I don't understand, like they're very light and I want more of a dark bam look. But anyway, this is how I do my brows, and then I don't really bother with the whole what's it called, carving them out. I just don't. I'm the most simplest person when it comes to makeup. I'm a mum, I don't have time at the moment. So what I like to do is just grab a little bit of my highlighter, a little bit she says, and then I'll just kind of highlight the brow bone like so, just to make it pop, and that's it. That is literally how mama does her brows. That is literally how mama does her brows. Guys, enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know how you do your brows, what products you use. I am very much a brow pencil kind of girl. I do love pencils. I have tried pomades, but they just never really work, but I am willing to try it more. So anyway, let me know how you guys do your eyebrows, and please subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. We are so close to 1,300. Let's do it, let's smash it, and I will see you in another video. Bye.